So now after 2 days, we are having the message from the YouTube. Congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your video and access support. That means our channel is monetized. Now after the monetization, we have to do some certain steps. We can be going on the channel videos by clicking on content. Now if we go there, we can see that every video there is the monetization tab active. Now if you are not going to monetize here, your videos will not be monetized. So one option is you can go to the individual video and select on, so the monetization will be on. So you can do one by one. There is another way, you can select all. Let's say you are clicking there, select all. Now click on this select all and go to the edit option and there monetization and then active. Or there is one more option by which you can do this thing directly. You can see that on the top bar where the congratulations is given, monetize videos. So we are clicking over there. So set monetization preferences. Here we have to give the preferences, means which type of preference we want. So here we can see that there is an option. Do you want to monetize existing videos? Decide later, or monetize all video. So here we'll click on the monetize all video because we want that every video which is available on this channel should be monetized. So we are clicking over there, monetize all videos. Now there is a ad settings. So here you can see that it is saying these preferences will be applied to the further videos. That means we can even change them. So here is the option, type of ads. You should be knowing that which type of ads will be coming on your videos. So overlay means coming on the downside, on the right side, or non-skippable ads, skippable ads. So all types of ad you have to select. Then afterward, turn on ads during video. So these are the all options you have to select. Monetize all video and click on all the options and afterward apply preferences. You can see that it will take certain time. It is going to upload the video's preferences. It's safe to navigate away. Wait before making another bulk update. So it is the bulk update. It is going to update all the videos one by one and will make on the monetization. So here we can see that the process is over. Now we are going to refresh it. So again we are going on the content. So now we can see that there are certain videos on which the monetization is on. So here right now it is not available, but if you are going here you can see that monetization on. So this way the monetization is on many of the videos. So this way we can see that the monetization is active. Now we are using another method to monetize the videos. So we are clicking on the content tab, clicking on the select all, and here is the option of selecting all. So there all the videos will be selected. We will be going on the edit, afterward the monetization. So here in the monetization you can see that this tab is available. Now here we can just put it on, afterward update videos. So we are clicking over there. I understand and I am accepting this. So update videos. It will take certain time to provide all the content setting. So now we can see that after the videos there is a monetization green sign and it is on. That means the monetization is on for the videos. So this is how we can just activate the monetization with the videos and we can earn the money from the YouTube.